Hey everyone, it's Jake Williams and I'm the Global Master Extensionist for Showpony Hair Extensions. Just finished a massive week here in Germany. Currently in Hamburg, we've just done a beautiful brand presentation, launching Showpony here in Germany finally. I really wanted to encourage everyone to start using hair extensions for colour, commitment-free colour, fillers, pops of highlights. I've looked after a couple of models as well, which is some live demonstrations. Everyone's really been inspired by what we've brought. Doing some live demonstrations has really helped people, I guess, on the technical side and kind of show them a little bit of insight into how my mind works when it comes to hair extensions. But overall, it's all about the brand and really trying to get everyone, excited for Showpony.